Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is x plus y. This is equal to 4. Let's call this equation 1. Then x times y is equal to 24. Let's call this equation 2. So what is the value of x and what is the value of y? So kindly, if you have different techniques, don't hesitate to show them in the comment section. Now, solution from here. From equation 1, which is x plus y, which is equal to 4, let's make y to be the subject of the formula so that we'll have y is equal to 4 minus x. Let's call this equation 3. Now, from equation 3, let's substitute this equation 3 to equation 2. Equation 2 is x times y, which is equal to 24. Substituting the value of y, we will have x times 4 minus x. This is equal to 24. So 4 times x, this is 4x, minus x times minus x, this is minus x squared. This is equal to 24. Rearranging this equation, we'll have minus x squared plus 4x. This is equal to 24. So let's take 24 on the left hand side so that we have minus x squared minus 4x minus 24. This is equal to 0. So from here, let's multiply everything here by negative 1. Now let's multiply everything here by negative 1 so that here we'll have minus x squared times minus 1. This is x squared minus 4x times minus 1. This is plus 4x. Then minus 24 times minus 1. This is plus 24. This is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. This is equal to 0. Now you find that a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 24. So this implies that from here, we can calculate for the value of x1, x2 by applying the quadratic formula, which is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c divided by 2 times a. So substituting values of a, b, and c, we're going to have here minus 4 plus or minus the square root of b squared is 4 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, then times c, which is 24, divided by 2 times 1. So here we have minus 4 plus or minus the square root of 4 squared, this is equal to 16, minus 4, we have that 24 times 4, this is 4 times 4, which is equal to 16. Carry 1, then 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. So this is 16 minus 96 divided by 2. So we have minus 4 plus or minus the square root of, now this is the same thing as 16 minus 96. This is minus 80 divided by 2. Have minus 4 plus or minus the square root of minus 80 divided by 2. So this is the same thing as minus 4 plus or minus. We can express the square root of minus 80 as 16 times 5 times minus 1 divided by 2. So here we'll have minus 4 plus or minus the square root of, now square root of 16, this is 4. Square root of minus 1, this is I, multiplied by square root of 5 divided by 2. So this implies that here we have minus 4 plus or minus 4i square root of 5 divided by 2. So from here we can factor out 2 so that we'll have this is the same thing as 2 into the parentheses minus 2 plus or minus 2I square root of 5 divided by 2. So let's simplify here by 2 by 2, so that now we have negative 2 plus or minus 2I square root of 5. So this is what is x1 comma x2. So x1 is equal to minus 2 plus 2I square root of 5, and we have that x2 is equal to minus 2 minus 2I square root of 5. Now, these are two complex solutions. These are two complex solutions that we have. Now, let's solve for the corresponding values of y. If you recall, in equation 3 here, we have y is equal to 4 minus x. From equation 3, we have y is equal to 4 minus x. So we have that y1 will be equal to 4 minus x1. x1 is equal to minus 2 plus 2I square root of 5. So this implies that here we have 4 minus minus 2. This is the same thing as 6. Then minus times plus 2I, this is minus 2I square root of 5. So this is what is y1. So let's solve for y2. y2 will be equal to 4 minus x2. So this implies that here we have 4 minus x2, which is x2 in this case is minus 2 minus 2I square root of 5. So this means that here we have 4 minus minus 2. This is 4 plus 2, which is equal to 6. Then minus times minus 2I, this is plus 2I square root of 5. So we have that x1 comma y1. This is the same thing as minus 2, okay, plus 2I square root of 5. And we have y1 equal to 6 minus 2I square root of 5. So this is the first set of solution we have. And the second set of solution is x2 comma y2, which is equal to negative 2 minus 2I square root of 5. Then comma, we have y2 is 6 plus 2I square root of 5. Now this is the second set of solution that we have. Now let's verify that x1, y1 and x2, y2 satisfies the equation. Now if you recall here, we entered x plus y, this is equal to 4, and x times y, this should give us a value of 24. So let's substitute x1, y1 from the first equation here. So this implies that we have minus 2 plus 2I square root of 5 plus y, which is 6, subtract 2I square root of 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 4. So clearly, plus 2I square root of 5 minus 2I, this simplifies. And then we have minus 2 plus 6. This is supposed to give us a value of 4. So minus 2 plus 6, this is equal to 4, which is equal to 4. So this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So let's check x2, y2. So x2, y2. So from equation 1, which is x plus y, this should give us a value of 4. So this implies that from x2, y2, which is minus 2 minus 2i square root of 5, we're going to have minus 2 minus 2i square root of 5 plus 6 plus 2i square root of 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 4. So here we have minus 2 plus 6. This is equal to 4. And this is equal to 4. Minus 2i plus 2i square root of 5. This simplifies. So 4 is equal to 4. And that implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side.